Let's make neon effect. Select subject and press Ctrl+J to make new layer. Apply exposure with -8 value and dot clip with background. Apply curve on girl image and clip with it. Now make group of girl and background layers. Make triangle with stroke and apply dot outer glow and color overlay. Select subject again and click on shape. Make mask on convert it to black. Take brush with white color and dot brush on mask layer. Make copy of shape layer and dot size of outer glow. Apply solid color on girl image and dot put blend mood to overlay. Again, apply solid color on girl image and dot put blend mood to linear dodge. Click on mask side and convert it to black. Brush with white color on mask side to highlight. Make new layer and take cloud brush and brush on background. Make another new layer and now dot brush on above girl image. Make opacity low of background brush layer. Thank you for watching.